Hi my pals, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel Pals TV. Today I just wanted to come and wish you a very happy Diwali to all of you and your friends. I hope you are staying safe at home and celebrating Diwali with your friends and family and your loved ones. I know there's festive season everywhere and everyone wants to cook something special for their loved ones. So am I. Today's recipe is called Matar Paneer. Matar is called peas and paneer is called Indian cottage cheese. This recipe is very common in North Indian food and so many people cook in a very different way. Even in my family, my mom or my mom-in-law or my sister-in-laws, they cook in a very different way. So today I'm going to share my version of it. I hope you will like it. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all my future videos. And do share my channel with your friends and family. If you want to check out my previous recipes, you can always go in the description bar and click on the link below. You can always serve this hot with rice, naan or parantha. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. I hope this festive season will bring you a lot of brightness and happiness in your life. So let's start this festive season with quick and homemade recipes. Let's go in the kitchen and start cooking.